wallahi sai bombin da wancan
matsala fa
dan uwar ka sai na mu injiniya jikina jikin mu duwu ta ce
a kai tsaya mu je mu samu wancan gai din inna lillahi.
We understand in the petrol tanker explosion in Madia town, that's in Taura local government area, has risen to well over 109 and 70 injured. That's according to JIGAWA Police Command. The tragic incident happened on Tuesday at 11 p.m. when the driver of the petrol-laden vehicle lost control of the vehicle and crashed. Petrol spewed into the surrounding areas, and as locals attempted to scoop the product, the tanker exploded. Police Public Relations Officer of JIGAWA Command, Lawan Adam, who confirmed the incident to journalists in Duse, said those injured in the inferno were rushed to Ringen General Hospital. The State's Commissioner of Police has condoled with the people of Madia town, asking residents to exercise caution and avoid scenes of petrol tanker accidents. Mass burial has been conducted for victims of the petrol tanker explosion.